This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, Vijay, we can hear you and we can see the screen.
Thank you very much. May I know who is speaking here?
Praneeth this side.
Praneeth, yeah. So how
Suhas
are you,
here.
Praneeth?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I'm good. So
Yeah.
this is Prakash here from my side, okay?
Oh, nice meeting you, Prakash.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone, guys.
Morning.
Okay, good. So let us start the class.
Morning.
I'm requesting all of you, please mute from your side. If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me, no problem, okay? Feel free to ask me, okay? Yes. So let us start the class. So let me open a document here. Yeah, good morning, Dave. Good morning, Prajapati. Good morning, Dev Prajapati. Good. I think you people belongs to different parts of country. Huh? Good. So let us start the class. Good morning, Venkat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Sri Harshita. Fine. Okay. Stop chatting. Let me start the class first. Okay. So before I start the session, I'm going to start the session with a small question. What is Salesforce? Praneeth, this is your question because I know about your name only. You can unmute, you can talk with me.
Yeah, for me, Salesforce is a tool. It's like a CRM. If someone wants a dashboard, they can customize, they can create on their own needs. For it may be for sales, it may be for like any to organize their the staff or their work in one platform.
Good. Fine. I understand. But so as you said, whatever you said, that's okay, but it's not completely correct answer. Okay. So let me discuss about what is Salesforce first. So before I start, okay. Stop the answers, guys. Stop the answers. Okay. Manage the user's data. Fine. Good. So let me discuss about what is Salesforce. But I will make you to tell the answer. It's Salesforce. So let me write some names on the screen here. Let me write some names on the screen like Microsoft. So please ignore the spelling mistakes, guys, because it is not English class. Microsoft, IBM, we have something like Google, okay, and we have something like Oracle. We have what do you call SAP, microsystems. Okay. So what are all these? What are all these? These are all companies. Yes or no? These are all companies. Very good. Like, let me write some other names like Tech Mahindra, okay, TTS, Cognizant, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. We have something like Wipro. What are all these? These are also companies. But Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro, these are all companies. In the same way, Microsoft, IBM, okay, Google, Oracle, SAP, Sun Microsystems, these are also companies. But what is the difference between these two companies is Microsoft, IBM, Google.
So these are the product-based company.
Yeah,
Like
very good. See guys, if anybody unable to hear my voice, please log out again, log in. The problem from your side only, because rest of the people can hear my voice. Understand? From my side, technically I'm very good, no problem. So let me continue. Microsoft, IBM, Google, Oracle, these are all product-based companies. Or I can say vendor companies. I can say what? Vendor companies. And the second type of company in the world in IT market, Tech Mahindra, CTS. Okay, Tech Mahindra,
As
CTS.
service
These are
companies.
all service-based companies. Service-based companies. Or I can say development company. So there are two different types of companies in the IT market or IT industry. One is what? Product-based companies or vendor companies. Second one is service-based companies or development companies. Okay. So what is the meaning of vendor here? First of all, let me tell. What is the meaning of vendor in English meaning? Vendor means vendor is a person. Vendor is a person who is manufacturing the products, who is manufacturing the products, and also who is selling the products. Or no? So that people can be called as what? Vendors. So vendor companies manufacturing what kind of products? Selling what kind of products? Vendor companies are product-based companies manufacturing software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies. Okay, I'm going very slow, guys. Listen to the class very carefully. If anybody do not understand, please ask me. Understand? So software products like what? Operating system, programming languages, databases, technologies, like applications. So these are all comes under what? Software products. For example, Microsoft company developed one of the operating system name is called Windows. That everybody knows. So Windows operating system. Who is the vendor company? Microsoft is a vendor company. Company is a Microsoft vendor company. Understand all of you? Clear everyone? Good. Okay. Like that, IBM developed one of the database. One of the database name is called DB2. So DB2 is a database like Oracle. The database developed by IBM company. And Google developed one of the application name is called Gmail application. Gmail is an application which is developed by Google company. Oracle is a company developed one of the database name is called Oracle. SAP company developed many products. One of the programming language name is called ABAP. Advanced Business Application Programming. It is one of the programming language developed by SAP company. Sun Microsystems developed one of the very well-known programming language name is called Java. So initially Java developed by Sun Microsystems. Later on, Oracle company take over this Sun Microsystems. Okay, guys, but initially Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. Like that, these are the vendor companies developed these software products. So vendor companies are those companies that are developing what? Software products. And using those products, using those products development companies are developing software applications. Using those products, development companies are developing what? Software applications. So development companies are developing what? Software applications. For whom they will develop? For whom they will develop? They develop these software applications for other company, other people. Those people we can call them as clients. Who are the clients here? Clients are nothing but business people. Clients are nothing but what? Business people. So development companies are developing software applications as per the client requirement. So in IT industry, there are three important key players. There are three important key players in IT industry. Okay. Who is the first player? Players in IT industry. Who is the first player? Vendor companies or product-based companies. Second player, service-based companies or development companies. And who is the third person? Clients or business people. So development companies developing the software applications as per the client requirement. Understand all of you guys? Understand everyone here? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
going
Yes, sir.
fast? Am I going fast?
No, sir.
No,
Shall I
sir.
go in the
No, sir.
same pace? Shall I go in the same pace?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So clients, who are the clients here? Who are the clients here? Listen this point. Who are the clients here? Clients are nothing but business people. Suppose take the example of ICICI Bank, like Airtel, like Airtel. Someone need to mute, guys. Excuse me. Like Airtel, like what do you call it? Taj Group of Hotels. Okay, or KFC, or a McD. Okay, or we have something like, or we have something. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, అయిపోయింది అక్కడ బయటికి క్లాస్ చెప్పుకోవాలమ్మా నేను Taj Group of Hotels, KFC, ICICI Bank, Airtel. These people we can call them as what? Clients. Yes or no? Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Am I
sir.
audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Vijay, we can hear you, Vijay. You please carry on.
Yeah. ICC, Airtel, Taj Group of Hotels, KFC, everything is comes under what? Okay?
Clients.
Clients. Good, good. Fine. So tell me, ICC comes under which category? What kind of industry?
Clients.
Banking industry.
Banking.
Yeah. Airtel comes under what?
Product.
Telecom
Telecom.
industry.
Telecom industry. Taj Group of Hotels comes under what?
Right.
Hotel industry.
Hotels.
FMCG.
Okay. Next. And we have something like, what is called? Yeah, something like what? Suppose JNTU. Under what?
Education.
Education. Okay. Okay. DMart. Retail business.
Shopping.
Retail or wholesale.
Retail.
Okay.
Wholesale.
So
Yes.
these are all people can be called as what? Different people. Okay. See, guys. ICICI Bank, Airtel, Taj Group of Hotels, JNTU, DMart, this all comes under clients, guys. Okay. This all comes under clients. Clear? So these people, banking, telecom, these people, we can call them as what? Business domains. Business domains or business verticals, I can say. Understand, guys? Business
Yes,
domains
sir.
are business verticals. Clear, all of you? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So, guys, listen carefully. Service-based companies or development companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of client size. Understand, all of you? Actually, client's business is altogether different. client's business is altogether different. They are not into software business, but they are using software applications in their business. Now, what is my question is, why clients are using software applications in their business? That's my question here. Why business people are using software applications in their business? If you go in a shopping mall, if you go in a restaurant, if you go in a bank, or if you go in the telecom industry, if you go in an insurance company like LSE, every people, wherever you go, they're having its own systems, they're having its own software applications. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the advantage of using software applications in their business? Very
So
good,
can I?
Harshita. Yeah, why not? You can go ahead. To maintain the
Sir,
accuracy, very good, Sai. Yeah,
if we take
Fast processing.
yeah. To save the time, very good, Sai. Excellent answer you given me. Sai, very good. Sai, very good, guys. So listen to the class very carefully. I will tell you
To
the
make
answer.
their work easier, sir.
Yeah, work easy. Very good, very good. Okay, thank you. So listen to the class
Time
carefully.
saving.
Stop the answer. Okay, stop the answer. Stop the answers. Okay. The first
Time
advantage
saving.
of first stop. The first advantage of using the software applications in the business is major important
Time
point
saving.
is saves the
Time
time.
saving.
Because for everybody's life, time is most important. For everybody's life, time is most important. So the first advantage is what? Time saving. How time will save if you are using software application? That is the point I'm going to discuss right now. So listen to the class carefully and try to understand this point. Clear, all of you. For example, okay, 40 years back, or maybe 35 years back, or 40 years back. Okay, let us assume I have the account. My name is Prakash. I have the account in SBI. Let us assume another friend of mine, his name is Mr. Sai. His name is Mr. Sai here. And he is also having the account in State Bank of Hyderabad, SPH. We both are friends. I'm talking about 40 years back matter. Okay. Actually, Sai yesterday called me and he requested me to deposit 10,000 rupees in his account. Sai requested me to deposit 10,000 rupees in his account. So what I have to do? I have to go to the bank SBI. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. Yes or no? There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. So after that, I can withdraw the amount 10,000 rupees. Then after I need to go to SBH bank because Sai's account is in that bank only. I have to go there. There I'm going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit the amount in his account. Now tell me, in this bank, I have to spend near about 30 minutes of time to withdraw. And in this bank, again, I have to spend at least 30 minutes of time to deposit. And in this bank to this bank, near about 1 kilometer's distance, I need to walk away. So another 30 minutes walking. So altogether, near about 90 minutes of time I have to spend to transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account. Yes or no? To perform this particular transaction. Isn't it? That is long back story. So if I want to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I don't need to go to the bank personally. Say yes or no? I simply open any net banking application or mobile banking application or any phone pay, or I can use Google Pay. I have plenty of ways. To transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account. Yes or no? Without going to the bank, without wasting this much of time. Isn't it? Tell me, net banking, mobile banking, phone pay, Google Pay, what are all these? These are all software applications or not?
Yes.
Yes, these are all software applications. If I'm using software application, my time will save.
Yeah.
This is the best example to understand how time will save. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The second advantage. Listen the class carefully. You don't need to give any answer. Just listen. The second advantage of using software applications is, listen the class carefully, security. That is also very important for us. It gives a security for our data. It gives the security for our data. It gives the security for our money also, I can say. Okay. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Take the previous example only. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. I need to walk down to SBH. There I need to deposit. This bank to this bank need about 1 kilometer away, 1 kilometer distance. I put all 10,000 rupees in my pocket. I'm walking down on the road. Suppose somebody theft my wallet. The whole amount I lost. Yes or no? Why? Because 40 years back, 30 years back, if you want to perform any kind of transaction in the market, you have to carry the cash with you. If you do not carry the cash with you, you cannot perform any kind of transaction in the market. So yes or no? Suppose if you want to drink a coffee, if you want to drink a chai, if you want to drink a soft drink, if you want to eat something outside, or if you want to buy something in the supermarket, yes or no? Whatever you want, whatever operation you are doing in the market, every time you have to carry the money with you. Without carrying the cash, you cannot perform any kind of transaction in the market. Say yes or no? That is long back story. But nowadays, you no need to carry the cash with you. You no need to carry the money with you. Yes or no? You no need to carry the money with you. Suppose if I want to drink a chai or coffee worth of 10 rupees, I can drink a coffee. I can pay through what? Either Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm. Yes or no? These are all what? Software applications. Once I do not carry the cash with me, automatically am I getting the security for my cash or not? Yes or no? That's the advantage. That is advantage. That is advantage of using the software application. What is this? Providing the security. Thank you. So this is the second advantage. And coming to the third advantage. Scalability. What is scalability here? Scalability means, let us take small example. Scalability means, for example, I don't know Sai belongs to its place. Let us assume Sai belongs to maybe Mumbai. And myself belongs to Prakash. Prakash belongs to Hyderabad. Okay. So both are friends. Sai opened the account in SBI in Mumbai, suppose Vashi branch. Understand? And I opened the account in SBI near Amirpet branch. Understand, all of you? Both banks are different, same, but different branches, different cities. Suppose I need to deposit 10,000 rupees into Sai's account. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. If I want to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I need to travel from Hyderabad to Bombay. I need to go to the branch, my friend here, where he opened the account, Washi branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Because 40 years back, even though banks are same, branches are different here. Branches are different. Even the branches are same. That is why 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank is nowhere related to other banks. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. Understand the point here? But using software application, we can implement what? Scalability. Scalability means we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe. That is the reason we can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere, from any bank to any bank, from any branch to any branch across the globe, across the world. This is possible, or we can achieve through what? Using software applications. These are the three major advantages of using what? Software applications. What is the first advantage? It saves your time. Second advantage, it gives a security. The third advantage is what here? Scalability. Is this point clear, guys? Is all of understand the advantage of using software applications now? You can put in the chat box, Sai and rest of all the people. Good, good. Muskan, Harish, good. Sujit, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Suresh Reddy, good. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear with this part of my explanation regarding the advantages of using software applications? Good, good. Everybody should respond. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Now I'm going to discuss about this is one side of the coin. The other side of the coin I'm going to discuss. Okay. The other side of the coin is difficulties of using software applications. Difficulties of using what? Software applications. What are the difficulties we have to face? What are the difficulties we have to face? Okay. What are the difficulties we have to face here? Listen this point. In the traditional model, yeah, we have to know how to use, that's okay. But another point is, listen carefully. I'm writing the notes here. In traditional model, every company means every client and the development companies. Okay. They have to install software on their own, and also they have to update the software on their own. And they have to maintain the software on their own. The major problem. For your better understanding, let us take a small example. I have a company, I'm a business person, I'm a client actually. I'm a business person. My company name is called ABC Company. This company is going to start maybe next year. That is why for company activities, I've given this project to a company called TCS. What is TCS here? TCS is a development company. TCS is a development company. And what is ABC Company here? ABC Company is a client. TCS point of view, ABC is a client. So here TCS need to develop the project as per the client requirement. Understand all of you? Now TCS decided to develop the project. TCS decided to develop the project. TCS decided to develop the project using .NET technology. All of understand? Using what technology? Using .NET technology. Understand everyone? Tell me, TCS need to buy original software. TCS need to buy original licensed software from Microsoft company. Why? Because .NET technology developed by Microsoft company. Microsoft is a vendor company for .NET. So TCS need to buy original licensed software from Microsoft company. Understand all of you? They should not use what? Pirated software. In Amirpet Center, we people are using pirated software only. But they are not supposed to use pirated software, guys. They have to use licensed software. They have to purchase from Microsoft company. It's a worth of near about 10 lakhs approximately. How much cost? About approximately 10 lakhs. Okay, guys. But .NET is not sufficient to develop the application. .NET is not only sufficient to develop the application. They need some database also. Or no? So TCS need to save the database in Oracle database. So TCS need to purchase. TCS need to purchase need to buy original licensed software from Oracle company? Sir, no. This costs around near about 15 lakhs. Let us assume like this. And also they need some operating system. They need some operating system. Do you know Sun Solaris operating system? Developed by Sun Microsystems. Okay. So TCS need to purchase or need to buy original licensed software from Sun Microsystems company. Cost around 5 lakhs approximately. Now tell me, here TCS need to purchase 3 different products from 3 different companies. Approximately invested how much here? Near about 30 lakhs or 25 lakhs. How much TCS invested here altogether? 25 lakhs. Yes or no? They invested 25 lakhs. They purchased all the 3 products and they developed the project according to the client requirement. Understand all of you? So tomorrow, my company employees are going to use this application in my company. If they want to use this application, my company systems also requires .NET software, database, Oracle, operating systems, and Solaris. Without having these 3, this application cannot run. Yes or no? That is why client also need to purchase. Client also need to buy all these 3 products from vendor companies. Okay. So they also need to invest how much? They also need to invest how much? They also need to invest how much? Approximately 25 lakhs. Understand all of you? So in this particular example, total 50 lakhs business coming from total 50 lakhs business coming from client and as well as what? Development company. To whom? To vendor companies. Yes or no? All of understand. That is why vendor company people are the most visionary people in the market. All of you. That is why they are the most wealthiest persons in the market. Yes or no? Tell me, out of top 10 billionaires in the world, out of 10, at least 3 to 4 people belongs to venture company owners only. Say yes or no? Microsoft, Bill Gates, vendor company owner. Yes or no? Like that, Larry Ellison, Oracle company owner. Understand? Like Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook owner. Who are these people, guys? Who are these people? Vendor company owner, Jeff Bezos, AWS. Yes or no? These are all multimillionaires. So these are all vendor company owners. Yes or no? Client and as well as development companies, they are giving the business to whom here? Vendor companies. That is why vendor companies are the most wealthiest persons in the market. Understand all of you? Among these 3 people, vendor companies are the people are the most visionary people in the market. Clear everyone? So there are 3 important key players in the IT market. Who are the first person? Vendor companies. Second person, development companies. Third people, clients. Clear all of you? Now, here I'm asking a simple question and try to understand what I'm asking here. Listen carefully. In this example, TCS invested 25 lakhs. Out of 25 lakhs, 10 lakhs they invested on .NET technology, 15 lakhs they invested on Oracle product, and 5 lakhs invested on what? Operating systems and Solaris. Suppose today in TCS invested 10 lakhs .NET software on .NET software. Is TCS can use this .NET technology or .NET software forever and ever, lifelong? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
They
We
should
can
not
use.
use. No, they
No.
should not use like this. No, should not use, because they will get the license up to 3 to 4 years only. After 4 years,
Yeah, the
again
license.
TCS need to renew the software. Yes or no? Again, they have to invest some other amount. Again, they have to invest some extra amount. So it means that, according to my example, what you understand is both the development companies and clients, they need to keep on upgrade the software. They need to keep on install the software, and also they need to keep on what? Maintaining the software. Maintaining the software means what? They have to install their own servers. Am I correct or not? They have to install their own network. Okay. And for maintaining the servers, they need to hire some DBAs, database administrators. They need to pay the salaries for them in lakhs. Yes or no? This all comes under what? Maintenance cost. Clear, all of you? That is why both development companies and as well as the clients, okay, they need to keep on what? Upgrade the software, install the software, maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance cost. Okay, this is called what? Setup cost. Setup cost will increase. Setup cost will increase day by day, like anything, for clients and also development companies. We understand the point here? These are the major difficulties of using what? Software applications. As of now, we discussed about what? Advantages of using software applications. What is the first advantage? It saves your time. Second advantage, security. Third advantage, scalability. Now I am discussing about what? I discussed about what? Difficulties. What is the first difficulty? Both clients and development companies need to upgrade the software on their own, need to install the software on their own, and need to maintain the software on their own. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, both can be called as what? All these can be called as what? Setup cost. Setup cost will increase day by day like anything for the clients and development companies. Now all of you understand, guys? What are the difficulties now? All of you understand? What are the difficulties?
Sir, I have one doubt. Can I ask?
Yeah, why not? You can go ahead.
Sir, for example, you have given an example of TCS, right? So
Yeah.
they will take the project based on like what are the applications that they have to like. For example, you have given an example TCS will take the application .NET. So they will buy the applications. So for example, it's 20 lakhs you said, and again.
It's not
So
application. Excuse me.
yeah, sir. Yeah,
Should not use
I
the
have one
word
small.
called application. They have to
Yeah, sir.
purchase the product from vendor company. It's not application.
Yeah, sir. From the
From vendor company. Hello. Am I audible? Hello, guys.
audible, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. I can hear you.
Yeah, sir. Like they will do the projects on their own application, like what they buy the application, or they will changes from one month to other month. Like today they are using a Java, and tomorrow they will use a Python like that.
It is not like that. That depends on the client interest.
Sir.
That depends on the client interest. Suppose I am one of the client, you are one of the client. Okay.
Okay.
And I am suggesting to TCS people, please develop the project on so and so technology.
Okay.
Suppose if the client do not have the knowledge and the technology, then development company is going to educate the client, sir, these are the technologies are available in the market. If you are using this technology, you will get this kind of benefits. Like that,
Okay.
development companies are going to educate to clients. Based on that, client
Clients.
is going to take the decision. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
It's all finally client's decision only. It's not development company decision. Because client is the person who is going to pay the salaries for all of them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understand the point here? Yeah, Muskan. he can ask the question. What is this? Do they have to purchase this every client? 1 minute. Let me check the question here. Let me check the question. Do they have to purchase this for every client individually, or they use these for every client? I do not understand your question, Muskan. Do they have to purchase this for every client? No, it's not like that. It's talking about vendor company points, so development company point of view. No, Muskan. If they purchase one product from vendor company, that product they can use in different clients, no problem. They can use in different product. One time is enough. No problem. Thank you. Is this clear? Fine. So 3 different problems I discussed here: upgradation, installation, maintenance. So this is called what? Setup cost. Setup cost will increase day by day like anything for the clients and as well as development companies. That is why this point is very important. Please look at the screen and try to understand. That is why only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies, are using software applications in their business, but not small companies. Please listen this point very carefully. Only top level, because of setup cost, only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications in their business, but not small companies. I'll give you a small example. I hope all of you know about KFC. And have a bakery here. Tell me, KFC selling what kind of products? They are selling burgers, they are selling pizzas, they're selling what? Soft drinks, they are selling crushers. Yes or no? Different kind of products they will sell. Suppose I am going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. Okay. And KFC guy who taken my order he is going to enter into the system. Yes or no? After entering the order into the system, they given some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Tell me, is KFC using software applications in their business? Is KFC has its own systems? Yes. If you go to the KFC, there you can see computers, there you can see software applications in their business. Yes or no? They're using. Now, I'm going to the bakery, a small bakery in Amirpet, Hyderabad, suppose. Okay. This bakery guy do not maintain any software applications. They do not use any software applications. They do not have any systems. Suppose I ordered same burger in bakery. Then bakery owner take my order, taken my amount and give the order to me. They do not maintain any software applications. They do not maintain any systems. Tell me, almost KFC and bakery, almost KFC business and bakery business, both are same, both are similar. Why KFC company people are using software applications? Why not bakery?
Depends upon the scale of customer.
Because KFC has lots of branches across India, across the globe. Yes or no? Number of branches. KFC has lots of branches. Their business turnover in crores. But bakery only one branch in Amirpet Center. Say yes or no?
Yes,
This bakery owner turnover is what? In thousands only. Or max lakhs only. Am I correct or not? That is why bakery owner, excuse me, someone need to mute. That is why bakery, excuse me. Someone need to mute. Listen the class carefully. That is why bakery owner cannot afford what? Setup cost. But KFC owner can afford what? Setup cost. Clear all of you guys. That is why, listen the class carefully. According to this example, what you understand is only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications, but not small companies. Why? Because the reason is they cannot afford what? Setup cost. Clear, all of you? Now tell me, if you reduce the setup cost, then automatically customers will increase or not? Customers will increase. Or no? Reduce setup cost, then automatically customers will increase. But how to reduce the setup cost?
Migrating to cloud.
That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called, what is this? Cloud computing. Understand the point clearly? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called what here? Cloud computing. Clear, all of you? Hello? So what is cloud computing? That we will discuss in tomorrow class. Yeah. What is cloud computing? That we will discuss in tomorrow class. But last almost 50 minutes, we discussed about, I'm going to recap all the points. There are three important key players in IT industry. Who is the first player? Vendor company. Second player, development companies or service-based companies. And third person is clients or business people. Okay. Yeah, I'll come to the point, Vijayendra Reddy. I'll come to the point. Okay. So these are the three people. Okay. And also we discussed about the advantage of using software applications. First advantage, it saves the time. It gives the security. Third one is what? Scalability. And after that, we discussed about what difficulties of using software applications. What are the difficulties? Both development companies and clients, they need to install, they need to upgrade, they need to maintain the software on their own. It leads to setup cost. Setup cost will increase day by day like anything. Yes or no? So that is why to reduce setup cost, vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? We will discuss tomorrow class. But what is my first question? Before I start the session, I ask one important question here. What is Salesforce? Listen carefully. What are all these? Microsoft company, IBM, Google. What are all these guys? These are all vendor companies. Yes or no? Like these companies, Salesforce is also a company. A vendor company. Salesforce is also a vendor company. Company started in 1999. It's not a tool. It is not a tool. Harshita, it is not a tool. Salesforce is a vendor company like what? Microsoft. Okay. Salesforce company is a vendor company, started in 1999. This company started in 1999. Okay. Excuse me, listen to the class carefully. It's a vendor company, started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. Understand all of you? This company runs on the concept of name is called, what is this? Cloud computing. CEO of this company is Mark Benioff. This is the background history of Salesforce company. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Listen careful, all of you. Salesforce is a vendor company, started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company runs on the concept name is called what? Cloud computing. That is why we can call it as cloud computing company. This company CEO is Mark Benioff. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about what is cloud computing. In today's session, we just discussed about what is Salesforce. Only one point we discussed. What is Salesforce we discussed. And also we discussed about what is Salesforce. Second point, what are the advantages of using software applications, and also what are the difficulties of using, of course, three important key players. Difficulties of using software applications. Okay, good. Advantages and difficulties. Very steady. Understand? Good. Now tell me, I am asking a simple question before I close the session today. Among these three people, vendor companies, development companies, and clients, among these three people, it's recording, this session is already recording, guys. Excuse me, someone need to mute. Listen to the class carefully. Among these three people, who is the most visionary people, guys? Vendor companies.
Vendor companies.
Yeah, vendor companies are the most visionary people in the market. Okay. Good. So is all of you understand all the 3 points, guys? What is Salesforce? What are the advantages and difficulties? Everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My class is user friendly or difficult? Understand the class, guys?
Yes, Vijay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So that's about the today class, guys. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about what is cloud computing. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Vijay.
Have a great.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow same link, guys. Tomorrow same link, same time, same 7 o'clock, same link.
Sir, can we find record